everyone, welcome to the kitchen. It's all about Christmas again today, and it's the Christmas main dish. Now this is a vegetarian or vegan dish and it's delicious. It's got Brussels sprouts in, one of my favourites. It's a Brussels sprout Tarte Tatin, so I'm going to show you how to make it. I just need to soften some onions and garlic and some thyme, and I've got a bit of vegan butter here so it's suitable for vegans. So let's get that softening up. So in goes the onion, add some garlic to that, add a few lovely fresh sprigs of thyme. Oh, smell that. Right, that's been softening up, so now I'm going to add, to make it really lovely and caramelised, some brown sugar, some apple cider vinegar, and the thing that's going to give it the real punchy savoury flavour, a nice tablespoon of marmite yeast extract. So just stir it all around, and that's going to make a lovely kind of syrupy liquid in there with the onions. So that's been bubbling away for a couple of minutes. It smells amazing. So now I'm just going to arrange, I've got my sprouts which I've just trimmed the bottoms off, cut them in half lengthways, and we're just going to arrange them in a nice circular pattern. So it's lovely and festive. And I've got some chestnuts too, and I'm just going to nestle some of those in between. Right, so that's all of the sprouts. I'm just going to tuck in some lovely chestnuts there. So that's ready, and I need to put the pastry on top, so let's get the pastry rolled out. So just some shop bought puff pastry. I just need to make it about this big, so it's going to go over the top of my pan. Just over 1/2 centimetre thickness. Make sure you give it a quarter turn every so often and add your little snow flurry of your flour there. Make sure you've got your Christmas music on and perhaps a glass of vino or sherry or whatever you like, unless you're a child. Just pull that out a bit, stretch that out. Just grab my plate. So a little bit bigger. There we go, so that's perfect. So I'm just going to cut around my plates, pop that over the lovely sprouty Christmassy mixture. Let's do that in case it's still a bit warm. So you literally just need to lay this on the top. Farewell little sprouts, I hope we have a lovely time in the oven. So I'm just going to tuck that down underneath. So just grab something like a sort of fairly blunt knife, and I'm just going to push that in around to trap in the delicious filling. There it is. They're all nestled under there, so now I'm going to bake this in the oven for about 35 minutes or so until it's really golden and crunchy. It's lovely and crunchy and baked, listen to that. So I've let it cool for about 5 minutes, and now I'm going to turn it out. Take care because it is quite hot. When you commit to the flip, you just got to go for it and be very quick and confident. Gosh, don't do that. Oh, look! Oh my gosh, that smell. Look at it. Gorgeous, caramelised and oniony, Brussels sprouty goodness. Can't beat a bit of crunchy pastry in my view. Oh, here he comes. Look at that. Ooh. Now that's a blooming brilliant Christmas main dish right there. Let's have a taste. Oh. You know when you want to marry a food? Well, this is one I want to marry. Thanks for watching. Everything you need to make it is just down there. If you do make it, make sure you tag me in the pictures, and please subscribe for more fantastic videos. I'm just going to finish this now.